Following is the installation process of the 550 tire changer. Open the package and check the parts, including a total of 12 pieces, plus the host. Among the 12 pieces, column auxiliary wall, shovel wall, auxiliary wall assistant to pillar blasting. Tubes under the auxiliary wall, large shovel bead, plus tire bead, screw plus bead head, bird head, shake wall. There are 8 internal 6 preparation tools. Angle 22 to 24 wrench, 18 casing hammer, 8 in turn A, L angle 30 casing heads. Start installation. 1. Upper shovel wall. Two. Upper shovel screw. 18 casing headset screws. 24 wrench to tighten the screw. 3. Column superior. Unscrew. 18 casing headset screws. 4. Upper rocker arm. 30 casing tightening screws. 5. Upper auxiliary wall. 18 casing headset screws. 6. Upper auxiliary wall helper. Unscrew. 'With 8 inner corners. Tighten the upper and lower 3 screws. Seven. Struts below the auxiliary wall. 8. Tracheal connection. 8 thick black tubes connect 8 6 thick black tubes connect 6 black 6 thick blue tubes connect 6 blue. 9. Explosive charging. 10. Upper auxiliary wall 2. 11. Upper bead screw. 12. Upper bead bar. 13. Machine installation is complete.